He who sows the wind reaps the whirlwind, as they say. And this week, I also sowed the wind and reaped the whirlwind, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it. Well, this is not going to be a long video again because I really need to discuss this Forson LB01 leaf blower with you, which actually doesn't really do all that much. Now, at first glance, it looks like a rather strange and peculiar little toy. Not at all like a serious piece of professional equipment, but appearances are deceiving once again, as often happens with this kind of Chinese gear, because in reality, this is indeed a rock-solid industrial leaf blower, despite looking so incredibly silly and simple. But what is this device made of? Actually, it has to be put together from three pieces. We have a tube which has a bayonet lock, and you use this to put it in place. There's the base unit itself, and we have a battery. Inside the retail package, we actually get two of these high-capacity batteries. These are powerful 4 ampere-hour batteries, and they can each provide 84 watt-hours of energy, meaning they are certainly beefy enough to blow air for a relatively long period of time. But of course, it is not just these batteries that blow the air, but rather the high-efficiency brushless motor that is located inside this device with its single integrated fan. Looking closely at those factory photos, I actually saw that there is a turbine built into it right here. Well, you really shouldn't believe that. I also initially thought it was a toy like this because when I look inside, I see a relatively large motor and a single plastic fan. And, well, we're definitely not talking about a turbine, but a relatively simple mechanism. According to the official specifications and technical data from the factory, this remarkably simple little device can create a wind of nearly 200 kilometers per hour through this tube, which is brutal, to say the least. And well, honestly, I found it hard to even believe this thing until I finally saw it with my own eyes. Because it turned out that this compact high-performance motor inside and the fan inside, and these batteries together form a complete package that can produce some truly staggering and powerful wind speeds. There's a conveniently located dial here on the top. You can turn it on with this. And there's a small digital display where we can clearly see the current charge level and the specific setting the device is running on. We have 5 different power levels to choose from. Level 5 is what we call the Windstorm. For me, levels 3 and 4 were absolutely more than enough to blow everything away, and not just from up close. I can easily blow away all the papers here in the office from a distance of 3 or even 4 meters, so that I'll never be able to find them again in my life. So the performance coming out of this machine is something quite staggering. So these are all exceptionally positive attributes. And like I said, it's absolutely astonishing that this seemingly simple device can provide such consistently high-level performance. If I have to say something bad about it, I can think of maybe just one thing, namely that it tends to stop sometimes during operation or reduce its performance. At first, I thought this was a problem caused by the motor overheating, but I had to come to the realization that no, it is the battery's protection. So if I use it on level 5 for a longer period of time, then after a while it will reduce the speed. And at those times, when I take out the battery, I can actually feel that it gets quite warm. So on level 5, you'll be able to use it for a fairly short time, but you can use it there for a few minutes. On levels 3 and 4, as I said, that's also more than enough for everything, and there was absolutely no such problem there, so the battery didn't overheat either. I'd say I'll talk about it for another half hour, but I really don't have anything else to say about it. All I want to add is that I've also written a short little article about it. The link to the article will be there in the video description on YouTube. I'll also put a coupon code there that you can use to buy it. The price is roughly 16,500 forints right now. By the way, you can buy it on AliExpress. The link where you can buy it for this amount will be there too. If you like the video, then watch one of the other 2 videos appearing next to me and subscribe to the channel and like and comment and do all sorts of things so that as many people as possible watch this video. And that's about it. Be good, take care of yourselves, and I'll be back next week with more reviews. Until then, bye everyone.